if we're gonna talk about time, you know, and the expectations that we got to give to our customers.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of shops tell customers 10 to 20 minutes I can fix that phone, and that's great.
Sure.
Normally you can get that done, but what's gonna happen is that customer's gonna drop that phone off, and in 10 to 15 minutes they're gonna probably stay inside the store.
Yep.
That's one thing.
Yep.
And that's okay for them to stay inside the store, but that puts a little bit more pressure on a technician
Absolutely.
to get things done and get it done in that 10 to 15 minute frame.
Yep.
So most customers understand that a repair, well, don't understand how long it's going to take to fix a phone.
Correct.
They just want that done the same day.
Right.
Which is perfect.
Right.
So we like to go, and the sayings that we use are, it's going to take 45 minutes, give or take, depending on my workload. So, and I say to them, if I get 4 or 5 customers walking through the door and you see we have 3 or 4 people here, I'm going to have to get up from the workspace and take care of these customers, so it might take me a little longer.